This very happy, tired girl is Peaches. Hi, Peachy. What do you think? Peaches goes to school downstairs at Positive Dog, and today is her second time swimming upstairs in the Red Dog pool. What do you think? What do you think? And I wish the camera was rolling, because when she first came in, she ran around the outside, jumped right in the shallow end, which is a big step, and that's the part she's kind of having a little trouble with now. And then just started gliding across the pool after her toy, and her eyes open wide as it could be. Like, what did I just do? Come on! But she's romping around, she is tired. Come on, kiddo! Let's go in. What do you think? Let's go in. So now we're just kind of practicing step by step. Come on! Since this step is really big, and it's pretty much the size of the burn. Come on. Come on! Come on! Good job. Good job. Good job. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yay! Come on! What do you think? What do you think? Oh, don't you drink that water. Don't you drink it. Yeah, shake it up. Come on. Ready? Come on. You're so tired now. Come on. There you go. That was a good run. Uh-oh. Is it too slippery? Too slippery? What do you think? Good job! Good. You turn right around. Good job! Ready? Good job! I know, it's hard. A little top heavy, huh? Fall in when you lean. So that's fantastic. She keeps kind of leaning forward after the toy and will fall in and then continue to swim. And when she gets to the side, she's not at all concerned about getting out to land. She's just looking back like, what happened? How'd I miss that toy? You want it? Here. Good reward. Good job. You can take it out. We'll dry off. Good girl. You are so smart. You are so smart. Good girl.